There's got to be a solution for that, right? Back in the 1980s, men didn't drink coffee. They just drank beer. Big beers. And Volkswagen definitely had you covered. And Volkswagen even thought about anti-drink driving, because if you tried to drive anywhere, the auto-leveling system kicked in and you spilt your beer everywhere as punishment. Morgen beer is good. Prost. But now we're in the 2000 and what's it? Everyone's gone soft and they think it's normal to spend the best part of a fiver on a drive-through coffee. So how are we going to stop you from dropping all that liquid gold? You could look at fitting one of these, which is a dash tidy. I saved this one from a previous van. But honestly, nah. I just like my metal dash. Unfortunately, somebody's already had a drill at my dash and I've got 4 holes here, which I would like to cover up. And that took me on an eBay hunt and I found this, which is now on order, hopefully for the end of this video if we're lucky. However, when I found this, I found something even more interesting and they've arrived already. Say, Al, what is that gorgeous bit of plastic you're holding? Well, this, my friend, is a fold-up cup holder. Oh yes, technologies. Check it out. Wah, wah, wah. So I thought this was a really, really good idea because this can go down on the bottom of the seat, out of the way, on here. And when you finish with it, it folds away nice and neat so you don't stand on it. Now they've arrived, however, I'm not sure they are the best solution.
Oh, that's not very nice. Why'd you say that?
Well, I'll give you 2 reasons, Mr. Clacky Rattle Pants.
Is it because I'm a bit clacky?
Yep.
And I'm going to rattle?
Most definitely. If you look at the design, which is super simple, you've got these 4 tabs of plastic, which act as springs, and the hinge here, look, pushes against them, which gives it the tension. So the fold-away cup holder comes with 4 sticky pads, which I wouldn't trust, and 4 screws. So if you get one of the pads that comes with it, a pair of scissors, chop that bad boy in half. Get a piece of plastic, something nice and thin. I'll stick this one to the right side just for fun. So a piece of plastic on the other pad. Trim it down. Now if you wedge your piece of plastic in between the lid and the springy part here, it forces the spring to be a little bit tighter. So I'm going to take the lid off, which is a simple hinge. Whoop, lid off. You got your 2 springs, get your sticky pad. I bet when you started watching this, you didn't think you'd be watching someone modify a cheap eBay cup holder. And say goodbye to Mr. Clacky Rattle. Goodbye, Mr. Clacky Rattle. Well, not much. Lock and load. Really like them. That's cool. So I will link to all these bits and pieces in the description below. Well, my metal cup holder's arrived. However, because of this lip, it's totally and utterly useless. So the bracket is an inch off the dash there. If I overlap it, I can't get anything there bigger than, well, I might be able to squeeze a can in, but I certainly can't get coffee cups in. I'd have to stand it off by an inch on some kind of spacer, and then it sticks out too much in my opinion. I could use one of the new fold-up cup holders, which actually don't look too bad there, I'll be honest. A little bit plasticky for a metal dash. The fixing holes for the screws look like they just meet where the dash is behind, so you could screw it on place. But I don't want to make more holes. I'm trying to remove holes, not make new ones, and I don't know how long this will last. And if it comes off, I'm going to have 8 holes rather than just 4. So I don't want to do that. Now, folded up, it doesn't look too bad. It's a bit plasticky, it overhangs at the bottom, so it's not the neatest solution. You could try sticking it on using the stickers that came in the kit, but there's not exactly a smooth surface on the back of this to stick to, so I wouldn't trust these with a hot cup of coffee. So that's the kids sorted. Hopefully they'll not be spilling their special brew all over the back of my van. And as for the dash, that'll do, pig. That'll do. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye bye.